Hello everyone, this is Shivani Jatav and I am student of International Institute of Professional Studies DAVV. I am pursuing my MTech IT degree from IIPS and this video is a part of my test 2A assignment. So let's get started with our questions. Question 1 is which of the following is not a goal of information security? Option A, confidentiality, integrity, availability and adaptability. Answer is adaptability. Question number 2, which of the following is an example of a threat to information? Fire, virus, employee error, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Question number 3, what is the main principle behind the concept of defense in depth? Option A, multiple layers of security are better than a single layer. Option B, security is a one-time investment. Option C, security measures should be easy to implement and use. Option D, security should be the responsibility of a single department. Answer is A, multiple layers of security are better than a single layer. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a category of controls used in information security? Option A, preventative. Option B, detective. Option C, corrective. And option D, predictive. Answer is predictive. Question number 5. Which of the following is an example of a preventative control? Option A, firewall. Option B, intrusion detection system IDS. Option C, security incident response plan. Option D, backup and recovery plan. Answer is option A, firewall. Question number 6, which of the following is a primary goal of the Computer Security Act of 1987? Option A, to protect government computer systems. Option B, to protect personal information. Option C, to establish standards for computer security. Option D, to provide funding for computer security research. Answer A, to protect government computer systems. Question number 7. Which of the following is an example of a symmetric key encryption algorithm? RSA, AES, Diffie-Hellman and DSA. Correct option is AES. Question number 8. Which of the following is an example of an asymmetric key encryption algorithm? Correct answer is RSA. Which of the following is a principle of the payment card industry data security standard PCI DSS? Protect card holder data, protect employee data, protect customer data, all of the above. Answer is protect card holder data. Which of the following is a principle of the General Data Protection Regulation GDPR? Data minimization, data anonymization, data localization, data obfuscation. Answer is data minimization. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a security rule under the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act HIPAA? Privacy rule, security rule, breach notification rule, enforcement rule. Answer is privacy rule. Question number 12. Which of the following is a challenge of a computer forensics? Obtaining accurate and reliable data, managing digital evidence, keeping up with changing technology, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Which of the following is a standard for information security management systems? Options are ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 27001, ISO 45001. Correct option is ISO 27001. Which of the following is a tool used for vulnerability scanning and management? Nessus, Wireshark, Metasploit, Nmap. Answer is Nessus. Which of the following is a constraint on the engineering of secure systems? Cost, usability, time to market, and all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a common vulnerability in software systems? वो अर्पिता वो सही से लगा. The options are buffer overflows, injection attacks, race condition, stenography. Correct option is stenography. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a category of data classification? Public, private, proprietary, protected. Correct option is protected. Question number 18. Which of the following is a method used to ensure data integrity? Options are digital signatures, encryption, firewalls, intrusion detection systems. Correct option is A. Digital signatures. Question number 19. Which of the following is an example of social engineering? Options are password cracking, SQL injection, phishing, cross-site scripting. Correct answer is phishing. Question number 20. Which of the following is an example of a security exploit? Options are distributed denial of service, virtual private network, internet protocol security, hypertext transfer protocol. Correct option is distributed denial of service. Thank you.